Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply builder gel on my natural nails and also this cute, easy, minimalistic nail design. So definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with prepping my nails here using the Sally Hansen cuticle remover, and I'm going to push back my cuticles and remove any dead skin. Now, I already kind of did my cuticles like a couple days ago, so they weren't as bad. But definitely make sure you have proper nail prep before the application of builder gel. Now I'm wiping my nails with a wipe pad and some acetone, and then I'm going to start by dehydrating my nails to get rid of any oils using the Model 1's nail dehydrator. And then I'm going to use nail primer, and I'm going to apply nail primer onto all of my nails. Then I'm going to be using the Model 1's gel builder. So you start off with a slip layer, a very thin coat. Apply that on your whole nail. Try not to get any gel polish on the skin. If you do, make sure you wipe it off before you cure. And then I get like a massive blob and I really bring it to the top, like the apex of the nail, and I start just going side to side, dragging it down the nail slowly, light pressure. And then generally what I do afterwards is I take a liner brush and I use some of that gel that was in the center of the nail, and I kind of bring it to the side walls of the nail. So any gel polish that didn't go there, I start to kind of even out the nail, make sure it looks nice and even, and then I eventually flip the nail upside down to help the gel polish, can't speak today, travel to the apex of the nail. And then you can see it looks really nice and even, and then I go ahead and I flash cure that. And I'm going to do that for the rest of my nails. I don't do builder gel actually often. This is something still really new to me, so just take your time doing this. I just took my time, don't rush it, and just make sure you don't get any gel on your skin. If you do, make sure you remove it before you cure the nail. Then I cure my entire hand for 60 seconds, and here's what the application looks like. Really good. I love it. It came out really nice and smooth, so I'm happy with it. Now for the nail design, I'm taking the Beetles Gel Polish Nude Jelly color here, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of that, and in between each coat, I'll cure for 60 seconds. My fingernails kind of look purple underneath. It was because I was so cold, but anyways, it's a pretty nude. Now I'm gonna do a isolated chrome on my ring finger. So I'm using a matte top coat there, and then I'm using a no wipe black gel polish, and I'm just creating like a circle, making sure it looks cute. And then using my gold chrome powder, I'm gonna rub it in, and then I'm gonna dust it off, and that was what it looks like. For my index finger, I'm using the blooming gel, and apply the coat, don't cure it, and then go ahead and start adding your 5-petal flower and let it bloom to your desired shape, and then go ahead and flash cure it. I decided to add a little pearl to the nails, so I used some rhinestone glue and I threw the pearl on top, and I also flash cured that. And I decided to add some pearls to the ring finger as well, and I really liked how this turned out. So cute, I love it. Then to finalize this look, I take the Model 1's top coat here, apply that on all of the nails, and I'm going to cure the hand for 60 seconds. And here's the final look. I really like it. It's so minimalistic, cute, and just a natural look. I really like how it turned out. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching.